Synth East 2025 is brought to you by Electronic Sound Magazine, the Norwich Arts Centre and Molten Music Technology. Hello, I'm Robin and welcome to the Norwich Arts Centre. Here we are again, after 2 extraordinary years of Synth East in this place. We're going to do it again. We are. Synth East 2025 is happening here, in the glorious space that is the Norwich Arts Centre. We have synthesizers, we have a festival of manufacturers, we have performances from all sorts of local people and extraordinary people and fabulous people. This place is going to be teeming with electronic bings and boops and bleeps. It's going to be a fantastic experience of a weekend in February where we can throw away all of our cares, all of our worries, and just think about the awesome creativity of that control voltage, of those signals, of that audio, of that interaction between person, between humanity and machine. And it's all going to happen here at the fabulous Norwich Arts Centre. Now, the first year in 2023 was just a wonderful occasion. It was a single day of getting together and exploring synthesizers together and then ending up in the most amazing gig in the evening. Then in 2024, we expanded into a Friday night of film and interview and into a Sunday of DIY, of modular making and soldering. This year, 2025, we're going to do the same thing again. We have the whole weekend to play with. So Friday night here, we have Mark Reeder's The Movie. It's a movie all about the music scene in the 1980s in Berlin. Fascinating, absolutely fascinating. I can't wait to see it. Following on from that, we have an interview with John Fox, synthesizer luminary, being interviewed by our very own Adam Buxton. And then we're all gonna just get drunk in the bar, I imagine, after that. Saturday then is the expo, which fills this space full of manufacturers and exhibitors, the best and the latest in synthesizer technology, the greatest modules and module systems and modular synthesizers that are going to blow your mind. And threaded throughout that, we will have performances. This year, we've invited the Norwich Synth Club to put on a little bit of a jamboree for us in the morning. And then in the afternoon, we will go straight into our now legendary all-star patch-off. Now, the patch-off is this fantastic idea where we get together a few people who play modular synthesizers and we force them to improvise and create together. So this year we have myself, we have Steve Davis back, and Gaz Williams, the 3 of us now heading out to become the foundation, the linchpin of this awesome experience. And so we have 3 new people joining us on stage for these incredible moments of never seen before and will never be seen again, moments of improvised modular chaos. So far, we have Nikki from Dots, which is fabulous, and the equally fabulous Paulie Bow are going to be joining us. We have room for 1 more, which I'm still working on at the moment, so that'll be an exciting extra bonus when we get there. So that's threaded throughout the day of otherwise enjoying all of the synthesizers that will be in here and spending time together as this awesome synthesizer community. And then in the evening, we have a proper gig. This whole place is transformed, all the exhibitors are kicked out, and instead we open up the stage to what will be a fantastic evening of music and experience. The headline act is Seafeel, who bring an eclectic collection of interesting sounds and vibes to entertain us during the evening. Before that, we have our very own Lula York. Now, Lula played in our first patch-off back in 2023, and she's just amazing. She's been outputting some incredible sounds over this past year, and she is going to be our main support act. But before that, yours truly will also be doing a little bit of shenanigans with the magical synth adventure that is Paulie Bow. And we're going to put together something that's never been seen or tried before in that first, very early in the evening support slot. So that is the Saturday night. It's going to be a fantastic time. I can't wait to get there. Can't wait to come up with whatever it is we're going to be coming up with. It's just too exciting, really. Too exciting. And then on the Sunday, we have DIY. That's not going to be here. That's going to be over at Electronic Sound HQ, over that way, I think, yeah, over there somewhere. And this is going to be a small gathering of people who are interested in building and putting together electronic synthesizer music related stuff. This year we have Jack from Beat Boop Electronics coming to do some tape loop workshops, which is very exciting. I might do that myself. And alongside that, we're going to have some modular building as well. So a mixture. There's only going to be like spaces for 6 people in each session with a couple of sessions. So it's a very small, very exclusive little club. And tickets for that will become available very, very soon, as will tickets for the whole thing. Now, I should stress that every other one that we've done has sold out. So don't delay in getting yourself a ticket. Get it straight away. Bank it straight away. Now, there will be separate tickets for Friday night and Sunday. Saturday, you can buy the daytime and the evening separately, or you can buy them together as a bit of a bundle, because it's nice just to go through the whole day. You know, the daytime here of exploring awesome synthesizer technology, and then go away, get yourself a bit of tea, come back for an incredible gig, kicking off with me and Paulie Bow. We're calling it the Magical Molten Modular Synth Adventure, I think. Something like that. It's going to be amazing. You're not going to want just half an hour of it. You're going to want us to go on the whole night. But, you know, we're very restrained with these sorts of things, and we will be just the support. So it's going to be a great time, a fantastic weekend. I can't wait to see everybody coming. Can't wait to see this place packed out. Can't wait to see and meet you as you come and enjoy what it is that we've got on here. We've got people coming from far and wide, manufacturers from all over Europe, as well as the UK, are coming to show you their stuff. It's a very, very exciting time. I think that's everything. I think that's everything you need to know for now. It's from the 21st to the 23rd of February 2025. Tickets are available, more or less now. Any questions? Just give us a shout. Give us a shout, and remember, don't delay. Don't put it off. Get your tickets now. It's very important. I hate for anyone to be disappointed. So I look forward to seeing you there, and in the meantime, go make some tunes.